Oh my god. Alright. Del, it's your channel. Do the intro.
Okay, are we doing this? These Dragonfly?
Yeah,
okay.
we're doing this one.
I didn't know what we got cookies here, and we got stuff coming and going. So this is all about these Dragonfly Family Biscuits, which I'm hoping that Dirk here takes over and tests them out, evaluates them. Another food eval from Dirk.
For sure, for sure. Do you want to read the nutrition facts real quick before
Well, let's
we start?
take a look, see how dangerous it is. It's got a little bit high on the saturated fat in the fat, 0 cholesterol, which is good, 4% salt, which is good, carbs 5%, fiber 2%, so it's got some good things here. 2%, 6 on the sugar. Protein, it's got 2 grams.
There we go.
No vitamin D, a little bit of calcium, a little bit of iron, a little bit of potassium. That's it.
All right.
So there's a lot of things there in minimal quantities, and it doesn't look that bad.
Do you want a green one or an orange one?
Well,
I'll give you an orange
okay.
one.
I'll just hold this up then and see.
Oh, this one's chocolate.
Oh,
it
this
says.
is gonna go with you.
Oh, you get orange, and the green one's the chocolate sandwich. I'm definitely getting this one. All right.
So these are called Family
Biscuit cookies, family biscuits, Dragonfly.
Dragonfly. That's the part I'm concerned about. That Dragonfly.
No, it's just a brand.
What does that mean?
Yeah,
then?
It's like Red Bull doesn't actually have Bull.
Yeah, it's just brand, and it's not red
Dragonfly.
too. It's not red.
So these are a bunch of like cookies.
Yeah, kind of, or biscuits, as it says on the box. It does say creamy on the biscuit, so I'm hoping it's creamy.
Oh, okay. So, let's see what we can do.
Okay, it's not creamy, but
So,
the flavor's pretty solid though.
Here's a-
Oh, yours is shaped different than mine.
I wonder if these are like that other cookie that you can pull them apart to see what's inside here. Yeah.
Like an Oreo?
Yeah, so at any rate, there is something inside. There. Oh, I didn't get any of the part inside.
It's all stuck to one.
Yeah.
Just shove the whole thing in
Well, the
there,
cookie's not bad. No, was just a little bit scared by that Dragonfly thing. I was, something like maybe some hot ingredient or something, but that's gonna burn you. But
I'm pretty sure it's just a branding thing, like right here. I'm pretty sure this is like their logo and stuff like that.
even though this was in the orange package, it's still got the chocolate. The chocolate in the middle there is pretty good.
How's the orange?
I don't taste it yet.
Oh. Or maybe it's just because it's shaped like an orange, they call it orange.
Is it orange flavor?
That previous video, I failed to emphasize that the bluegill and the pasta at the bluegill was zested, orange zested. So
That's correct.
for those of you that don't know, we bought a brand new zester, and they're good for lemons and onions and all kind of things.
Not
Chocolate,
onions,
but
onions.
mostly
Mostly
it's just
onions.
if you're out of spices, you can take an orange or a lemon and run the tool over it, and the little things will sprinkle on the food and give it some flavor. And it works too. It works really well. So that was in addition to the bluegills that we had and the
So-
pasta.
Del, do you want to try a chocolate one? Then you can give me an orange one.
All right.
Alright, here you go. I'll just grab it from here. I mean, it has a cooler design than the original.
Yeah, these are different. So there's what looks like inside. And these are more or less rectangular shaped versus the other. The ones in the orange package are round. So let's taste them out.
But one thing that kind of grinds my gears, Del, and you'll probably see like as you're eating, but like the biscuit says creamy, but it's not really creamy. It's mainly just the biscuit, right?
They're a little chintzy on that, but it does taste good. The chocolate part in the middle tastes pretty good. But you gotta kind of work for it.
I'm gonna be honest, I really don't taste the orange either in the orange one. Like, there's not much of a difference between the regular chocolate and the orange. I don't know.
Yeah, there isn't. That's I get that impression as well.
But overall, I mean, I would give these the same rating because they taste pretty much the same. So I'd probably give each of them probably a 7 out of 10. I wish they were creamy, like if there's more like a gooey texture on the inside to contrast with the biscuit, because my mouth's kind of dry now. It's pretty dry, would you say?
Yeah, I like that package that they come in, that metallic kind of.
Yeah, show the tin.
This-
This.
Oh, the actual.
You always put cookies
shows-
in there
shows-
or something. Make use of it, or buy more Dragonfly products. And
Yeah,
put them in
yeah,
there.
and then when you're done with it, you can just
Just put the lid
slap
back
that
on.
thing back on, and you're good to go.
Everything's safe and sound.
All right. All set.